Here's a better take of the elevator at 355 Artisan Way, Somerville, Massachusetts. So yes.
Going down.
Ah. Alright.
Going down.
Sorry about that, guys.
First floor.
Here we are at 1. This is a better take. In grid mode.
Going up.
5. Let's drink or close that up. There's your phone. Here we go. There's your emergency light. Not sounding too good for a new Series 7.
P5.
Come up 5. 1.
Going down.
Brand new Series 7 driver resistant fixtures. Certificate of inspection, 250 mm, 3,500 pound capacity. And this does not sound good right now. It's like it's really running downhill.
First floor.
Go up to P1.
Going up.
Crappy braille. Faxman from Land, this is for you. Especially in the ring with elevators.
1.
Hope you like it. Bell. Chime works, that's cool. There it goes, and that's it.